Hello beautiful people, welcome again to another vlog. So today we will be going to a beach in Southern Maryland to ride the jet ski. As you can see, it's a very beautiful sunny day, so we want to capitalize on that, and we will also discuss the reason why you should always help others. So come along with me. Sammy, what's a good reason for why you should always help people, man?
What's it what?
Why should you help others out?
I believe in karma. The more good you do, the more blessing comes your way. It's that simple.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, bro.
I didn't know you was that wise, man.
It's that simple.
With that, bro. With that.
It's that simple.
Yeah, but I mean, that's true, man. And also, when you help people out, right, it just brings joy to you. Like, it just feels so good.
Yeah.
The fact that helping others out and like put a smile on someone's face that really needs it, and seeing someone like truthfully saying thanks to you, it just feels so good, man. The emotion is there. So just try. You just gotta try it. Help someone out. It doesn't have to be money.
In 4.3
can
miles,
just be your time and
turn
all
right
that,
on Maryland 249.
My GPS is so disrespectful, man. Cutting me off. We are here. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. So we're invited down here by a friend.
You guys you stay overnight?
No.
We're not planning to.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's okay because don't have a. I think the spot don't have a spot to put one more tent. And today it's 35 per person.
They even have a pet fee, man. $25 per pet.
Yeah. You have a pet?
No, we don't. He might be a pet though. Beautiful, man. It feels like we're in Brazil. I've never been to Brazil before, but hey, this just feels like it, man. It feels good down here. So another reason why you should always help people if you can is because you get to build a relationship, you get to network more with people, and with that you just give yourself a better chance for opportunities in the future. You never know, because you may help someone today and they may come back later when you really need them, and they're gonna be there for you just because of the favor that you've done for them before. So because of that, don't limit yourself. Always try to help others, because you never know the benefit you're gonna get back from it. It may be a greater reward than what you did for them initially. Yeah, even the dog is welcoming us, man. Welcome to Camp Merryelande. They've never seen King Black before in their life. I like that. Look at this, man. Views, beautiful. Where's it at? Oh, that's inviting over there? All right, thank you so much, huh? Always drink your water, man. Don't be like this guy, man. He's breaking the rules.
Now, you know, on our way back, I drank some water, right? Like 2 bottles.
He never drink water, man. He always drink that. Always drink water. Water good for you. Let me get a toaster.
Hold on. I think I can chuck this, bro.
Let's see if we can do it. Let's sit. I'm gonna respect you, man. I'll be naked and make you finish it. What the hell, man? Oh! Yes, so I just finally changed, getting ready for action, man. Finally about to get in the water. on the jet ski, man. So let's see. Okay, first of all, rule number 1, right? Never get on the jet ski from the back. You gotta get from the. Look, you gotta get from the back. Yeah. Don't get from the side. You hear me? An epic ride, man. Tired a little bit, but hey, about to take a little break, and I'm going back there for a second round. Ooh. Ooh. Sammy, you're a loser, man. You're a failure. Oh, that was close. Did you hit it again? Oh, that was close, man. He almost got me.
Yeah. You have a 16 and I have a 4. See, you have a 16. I have a 2 and 4. 6. This is my. What's the close?
This. Yeah, that one's closer.
No, this one is closer.
Wait, what?
This one is closer to that.
I think so.
Are you blind?
Do you know?
Look at that. Look at that.
No,
Look at that.
Don't touch. Don't touch. Do you know how we did it? We do like this. We do like this. See?
Yeah, he's trying to cheat, man.
This is me. See it? See it? See it? See it? I'm close.
Angles, man. Angles.
Yeah.
Angles.
Yeah. Put it. Oh, see it? Okay. See it? It's close,
It's
right?
touching. And yours is
See
not
it?
touching.
A quarter inch. I have a 6 point. You have a 14.
You're losing.
Don't lie to me, okay?
It's cool, bitch. That was a bad idea, man. Huh?
My man singing, bro.
Who?
My man singing, bro.
Who you singing for? Who is he singing for?
It's amazing.
He's singing for himself?
For me, no black, right? For me, black.
Inside.
Yeah.
I like that. I like that,
Yeah.
man.
For me, inside, forever.
Forever black. That's good.
Guy, fucking bullshit.
All right, man.
Right.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man. See you tomorrow.
Hey.
Waganda. This the best chef out here, man.
Yeah.
Nobody come close to him. Woo. Still looking good.
See it? We don't put like everything. We put just this.
What's that? Is that salt?
You see how I do?
Oh.
Get this? Do like this.
Okay.
Like
Yeah, y'all better copy from my man's, man. My man's definitely got the skills.
like this. This only we need.
Only salt.
Yeah, but this is the one. It's not normal salt. Now gonna be like 3 hours.
For your roast for 3 hours? Oh wow.
2 hours is okay.
Okay.
If you burn, it's not good. You have to do like this, far from the fire.
Oh, far from the fire.
Yeah.
Cool, 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 cool.
Beautiful, beautiful.
They're beautiful, but they're illegal. Shit, my man's hating, man. He hating. He hating, man.